How to use focus modes like a pro. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, then simply tap on focus. Here you will be able to find different focus options like do not disturb, personal, work and sleep. Now let's set one up properly. You can simply tap on any focus mode. Let's tap on work. And now tap on customize focus. Here you can customize three main things. First, people. Simply tap on choose people, and just like that you can simply choose who is allowed to call or message you while you are in focus mode. Next, you can simply tap on choose apps and then select the app that can still send you notification. This helps you block everything unnecessary while keeping only what matters. Now you can simply scroll below and then you can tap on add schedule. This is where focus mode becomes powerful. You can set it to turn on automatically at a certain time, location, or when you open a specific app. For example, it can turn on automatically when you start working or studying. You can even customize your home screen inside focus mode. This hides distracting apps and only keeps what you need visible. Once everything is set, you can simply turn on your focus mode right over here and then tap onto it to enable it. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.